Hi Jay, this is William Body. Today he will show you how to beat, I would say like 64 bosses at the same time. Oh wait, 64 times 2, 128 bosses. So William Body, activate teleporter.
Oh. No idea how many there's gonna be. The frick? Oh, it's a horde of many. This is like...
Okay.
Interesting.
This,
Oh, there are like... Scavengers from... scavengers.
oh.
Oh, jeez.
What the
Orphaned for anyone. There are so many. It spawned 100.
86.
I'm taking all of the orphan cores. My best buddies. They're gonna be powerful. I don't know what I'm trying to say.
That's crazy.